Hello, today we will guide you through how to restart chart on Axiom. If your chart layout on Axiom looks cluttered, customized in a way you no longer want, or simply needs to be reset back to its default setup, this process is quick and straightforward. We'll walk through exactly where to click so you can restart the chart view and get back to a clean default layout. First, open Axiom and go to the Discover page for Sol. This is the starting point shown in the walkthrough, and from here you'll be able to choose a token and open its chart. Make sure the page has fully loaded before moving on, especially if your connection is a little slow, since chart tools and menus may not appear right away. Once you're on the Discover page, click on a sample coin. This opens the chart page for that asset, which is where the reset option can be accessed. It doesn't matter much which sample coin you select for this process, because the goal is simply to get into the chart interface where the settings are available. After the chart is open, look to the top right area of the chart and click the Settings option. This is the menu that contains chart-related preferences and layout controls. If you don't immediately spot it, take a second to scan the upper right corner of the chart panel carefully, since that's where these controls are typically grouped. With the Settings menu open, click on Template. This section is used to manage the chart's saved appearance or layout. In other words, if the chart has been changed from its original state, the template area is where you can return it to the standard default view. Next, click on As Default. Choosing this option tells Axiom to apply the default chart template instead of the current customized version. This is the key step in restarting the chart because it removes the active custom setup and restores the original baseline configuration. After that, click OK to confirm. Once you do, the chart should reset to the default template. If the update doesn't appear instantly, give it a moment to refresh visually. In some cases, clicking away from the menu or briefly waiting can help you confirm that the reset has been applied. And that's it. You've successfully restarted the chart on Axiom by opening a coin, accessing the chart settings, going into the template options, selecting the default setting, and confirming with OK. This is a useful fix anytime your chart layout needs a clean reset and you want to return to the standard view.